Let's cook using my beloved mom's delightful food recipes. And this her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora, Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video. Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. Yes, that's me, Miss Gutierrez, speaking to you about the video. And this is my book, and all my 22 books, yes, 22, including Mom and Chef, are available worldwide at Amazon, Ex-Libris, Barnes & Nobles, all bookstores near you, and at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, bscdmscd.com, juanitagutierrez.com. And so, let's go to our hot pan, and we're going to stabilize my camera, and then I'm just going to pour in extra virgin olive oil. You can use vegetable oil or any, or even butter if you would like. And then we're going to drop in the garlic. Super flavorful is the garlic. Thank God for the garlic. And you may notice there are still some skins. It's alright. Mom said it has nutrients as well. And so we're going to stir this. The aroma of our garlic is super flavorful. And then we're going to drop in super delicious. Our garlic is already turning golden brown. We're going to add in a little bit of ginger or luya. And then ginger has lots of nutrition. And then we drop in the baby carrot. This is super flavorful. The aroma is involving you. And you can cook down. And then we continue to stir. What do you think of my cooking today? It's Sotanghon. We're going to, especially at winter time, snow days, here in the USA right now, blizzards and snowstorms are coming, and we love snows as well. And it's good to have some soup. And then we have celery. Oh my, the aroma is super delicious. I use all here with me. I'm inviting you all. Let's cook. Down. I'm going to drop in. Next is some onion. If you have some delicate eyes when you have to peel and cut onions, you could put the onions in water, in pouring water, and then as the water is pouring in the onions, you slowly peel and cut the onions in running water, and then your eyes will not be too watery. You know what I mean? The aroma is super delicious. I'm inviting you all. Let's cook. I wish you're all here with me so you can smell the aroma. Then I am including pork and beef smoked sausage with cheddar cheese. And I'm going to drop in that one. Just a little bit. And this is going to be really tasty, super delicious. Oh my goodness, the aroma is super flavorful. It's inviting you and me to cook and eat Sotanghon. Pancit Sotanghon is very popular in the Philippines, especially when I was growing up as well. Because it's Sotanghon is a lucky food, especially during New Year. Happy New Year, everyone, especially as well all my subscribers, my new subscribers, welcome, followers, those who watch, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And please subscribe if you have not already done so. And please do so. Keep in your heart. Next, we are going to mix in 2 cabbages. One, the purple red, and the green cabbage. And so, we drop them and continue to stir like so. Oh my goodness, this is super flavorful. And then we drop in the rest of the green, and there's some red onions. Alright. And then we continue to stir. Wow, the aroma is telling us this is super delicious. Oh my goodness. This is yum. And then we're going to, there's nothing like super aromatic, newly grinded peppercorn. A little bit to taste, and then herbs to go in. Mom is Canadian as well. We travel in Europe, and all my brothers and sisters and my beloved parents traveled in Europe, and friends, they have lots of herbs in Provence. And then we have Himalayan salt, a little bit, because this is very powerful. So you could add on as you go along. And then let me show you I'm going to add in the Sotanghon Pancit Sotanghon, and this is how it looks like right there. And we're going to drop it. I already washed this. And then we continue to stir like so. I will add soy sauce a little bit later on because we already mixed in Himalayan salt, so we just want to taste it first, and then we could add a little bit of soy sauce. Then now I'm going to add in the water. I'm using spring water. You could, of course, use tap water if you would like. And then you continue to stir. I'm going to get another one because we want to submerge our Sotanghon, and you can see the Sotanghon is turning transparent. That's how different the Sotanghon soup is. Look at that. Let me show you the texture of the Sotanghon when it is cooked like this. It looks transparent now, like this. And so let me add just one more spring water. And I'm sure I'm going to add the aroma is inviting you and me to eat. Of course, to cook first. Wow. I'm inviting you all. Let's cook and eat Pancit Sotanghon. This is super aromatic, super delicious. And then we wait for it to simmer because everything is cooked. The sausage is cooked and the vegetables, we just wait the carrots to cook, and then as soon as it should boil, it's done. Our Sotanghon, look at that. Birthdays, New Year, weddings, graduations. Sotanghon is so lucky to cook because it means long life. That's all there is to it, is it? Does it, isn't it? And I'm inviting you for a 10% discount if you would like to order seafoods here in New York City. You could call over the phone 1-833-GOT-CRAB or online www.allfryseafood.com, and you use my name Juanita as a coupon code and you get 10% discount. Isn't it beautiful? Now, happy cooking. Enjoy. Excuse me, please. Enjoy Pancit Sotanghon. This is super yum. Happy cooking. In the Tagalog language, masayang pagluluto po sa inyo lahat. Napakasarap. Super yum. And more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom, Mrs. Teodora Gutierrez, are in this her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora, Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video. Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, available worldwide at Amazon, Libris, Barnes & Noble, all bookstores near you, and at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED.com, JuanitaGutierrez.com. And that's my beautiful, beloved mom, right in front of our kitchen when we were growing up. This picture was sent to my beloved father here in America. My dad was a USA stenographer typist, And when he retired, he was twice time elected town leader, and he signed a public school budget in the school where I taught as a new school teacher. And my mom, teamed with other government officials, my beloved mom, was the first woman ever elected public official in our hometown and top notcher as well as my dad. And more in this, my beloved mom's cookbook, and all my 22 books in Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora, Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter speaking to you about the video. Juanita de Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. Happy cooking. Yum. Pancit, Sotanghon. And then we are going to cover this with lid. And then see you in the next video. Let's enjoy this all together. Happy cooking. Enjoy.